JavaScript substring method returns a part of a string from start position to end position. Positions are index values of characters in a string. Remember that element placed at the end position is not included in the return string. Let's have a variable named string1. Substring method will return a new string with characters from 0 index position to 3rd index position. If only one position is defined, then all characters from that position are returned as a string. Remember that we can't use negative numbers in substring method, unlike slice method.